Hello, Mathenic kids! How are you today? I hope you're doing great. I am Teacher Janine, and join me as we explore Mathematics 5. Kids, at the end of this episode, you are expected to be able to estimate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results. Please remember the following rules. First, listen and watch attentively. Second, prepare your module, notebook, and ballpen. Third, try to answer independently. All right, buckle up and let's begin our lesson on how to estimate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results. Always remember, kids, that when we round off 6 and 867 thousandths to the nearest tenths, it will become 6 and 9 tenths. What do you call the process? Right, it is rounding off decimal numbers. What is the meaning of rounding off decimal numbers? Correct! Rounding off decimal numbers is rounding off numbers to the nearest tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. Prepare your notebook and ballpen as you answer a short review. Directions: analyze the statement, then round off to the indicated place value. You will be given 10 seconds to answer each item. Ready? Let's begin! Number 1. Round off 6 and 72 hundredths to the nearest ones. Seven. If you answered 7, you are correct. This is how we arrive at the answer. Step 1. Determine the digit in the rounding place. In the given value, 6 is the rounding place. Step 2. Look for the digit to the right of the rounding place. The digit to the right of the rounding place is 7. Step 3. Think. Is 7 greater than or smaller than 5? Correct! 7 is greater than 5. So therefore, round up. Always remember, round up when the digit to the right of the rounding place is more than 5. Then add 1 to the digit in the rounding place. Step 4. Drop all the digits after the rounding place. So the answer is 7. Number 2. 6 and 72 hundredths rounded off to the nearest tenths. Six and 7 tenths. Good job! The answer is 6 and 7 tenths. This is how we arrive at the answer. Step 1. Determine the digit in the rounding place. The digit in the rounding place is 7. Step 2. Look for the digit to the right of the rounding place. The digit to the right of the rounding place is 2. Step 3. Think. Is 2 greater than or smaller than 5? Correct! 2 is smaller than 5. So therefore, round down. Always remember, round down when the digit to the right of the rounding place is lesser than 5. Step 4. Drop all the digits after the rounding place. The answer is 6 and 7/10. And number 3. 16 pesos and 25 centavos rounded off to the nearest ones. $16. Yes, the answer is 16 pesos. How are you doing, kids? Were you able to get perfect answer? I hope you did. Very good. Then, if you got 2, good. 1 and down, study more. Keep watching. What is the occupation of the man in the picture? Yes, he is a farmer. What is he holding? Yes, it's a fertilizer. Kids, I will tell you about this farmer. A farmer needs to buy 10.75 kilograms of organic fertilizer for his crops. Each kilogram of fertilizer costs 8 pesos and 25 centavos. About how much will the farmer need to buy fertilizer? Again, kids, read with me. A farmer needs to buy 10.75 kilograms of organic fertilizer for his crops. Each kilogram of fertilizer costs 8 pesos and 25 centavos. About how much will the farmer need to buy fertilizer? Now, analyze the questions and write the correct answers in your notebook. Number 1. Who needs to buy fertilizer for the crops? Farmer. Correct! The farmer needs to buy fertilizer for the crops. Number 2. Why do crops need fertilizers? Fertilizers make the plants healthier. Yes, fertilizer is a chemical substance that is sprayed on land or soil to make plants grow better. Number 3. How many kilograms of fertilizer does the farmer need? $10.75 kilograms. Correct! The farmer needs 10.75 kilograms of organic fertilizers for his crops. Number 4. How much does a kilo of fertilizer cost? Pesos and 25 centavos. Very good! A kilo of fertilizer costs 8 pesos and 25 centavos. And number 5. What is asked in the problem? How much will the farmer need to buy fertilizer? Yes, it is how much the farmer will need to buy fertilizer. What is your score? If you got 5, very good. 4 to 3, good. 2 and down, nice try. You can do better in the next activity. For you to be able to solve the estimated amount of money needed by the farmer to buy fertilizer, you need to learn the steps on how to estimate the products of decimal numbers. The phrase about how much in the situation indicates that we need to estimate. To estimate means to find something close to the correct answer. In other words, you are approximating or estimating an answer. Kids, to estimate is to approximate. To do that, we have to follow these steps. Step 1. Round off first each decimal number to the nearest whole number before multiplying. Example, 10.5 rounded off to the nearest ones will become 11. 8.25 rounded off to the nearest ones will become 8. Note, in rounding off decimal numbers, we follow the general rule. If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round the number up. Example, 47 rounded off to the nearest tens is 50. If the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. Example, 43 rounded to the nearest tens is 40. Step 2. Multiply the estimated factors. Write the estimated product. Example, 11 multiplied to 8 is equal to 88. Therefore, the farmer will need about 88 pesos to buy the fertilizer. Let's try another example. Try to solve this in 15 seconds. 5 and 93 hundredths multiplied to 1 and 25 hundredths. What is the correct answer? Yes, you're right. It is 6. Because 5 and 93 hundredths rounded off to the nearest ones will become 6. And 1 and 25 hundredths rounded off to the nearest ones will become 1. Then, we multiply the estimated factors and wrote the estimated product. So the estimated factors are 6 multiplied to 1. So the answer is 6. Easy, right? Now, we are ready to study the next example. 15 and 6 tenths multiplied to 6 and 5 tenths. What is the answer? 112. Correct. The answer is 112. Congratulations, kids! You did a great job in estimating the products of decimal numbers. Again, Here are the steps in estimating the product of decimal numbers. Step 1. Round off first each decimal number to the nearest whole number before multiplying. Step 2. Multiply the estimated factors, then write the estimated product. Always remember that rounding off decimals to the nearest ones is the simplest way in estimating the products of decimal numbers. Yay! You are now ready to answer this quiz. Directions. Read each item carefully. Solve for the estimated product, then choose the letter of the correct answer. When you hear this sound, say your answer. Number 1. Correct! The answer is A, 40. Number 2. Excellent! The answer is A, 20. Number 3. Good job! The answer is B, 18. Number 4. Wonderful! The answer is B, 120. And number 5. Very good! The answer is C, 28. How many correct answers did you get? By this time, I am happy that you know how to estimate or approximate the products of decimal numbers with reasonable results. Give yourself a resounding applause. Kids, you can review this video through our YouTube channel. Search Aral TV Deped Leyte. Click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get the latest updates. It is nice to be with you today. Again, I am Teacher Janine, reminding you to always think positive. Your outcome in the future is based on how you estimate yourself today. See you next time. Goodbye!